Hey guys, this might be one of the most interesting ad concepts we've created so far.
Wait. Okay, this is actually ridiculous.
Você não entende nada sobre mim.
Okay, so I want to ask you something. If someone handed you this product and said, it translates whatever you're listening to in real time straight into your ear, how would you sell it?
Because I sat with that question for a while. And honestly, it's harder than it sounds. It's not hard because the product isn't good. It's hard because most people have never used anything like it before. There's no frame of reference, no, oh yeah, like that other thing I use. And that's actually a really common problem for brands, especially with new technology. You've got something genuinely useful, maybe even something that could change how people do things. But if someone can't immediately picture themselves using it, you've got a marketing problem, not a product problem.
So today I want to show you how we built a full AI UGC ad for a real-time translation earbud. And more importantly, how to think about creating content for products people don't instantly get. Let's build it.
I want you to really pay attention to this first step, because this is where most brands go wrong before they've even opened a single tool. A lot of people jump straight into creating. They open the dashboard, they start generating images, they pick an avatar, and then halfway through, they realize they don't actually have a story. So before we create an influencer, before we build scenes, before we generate anything, we need a story. Because here's the thing about selling technology, and honestly, this applies to almost any product people don't immediately understand. People don't buy the technology. They buy what the technology lets them do.
So instead of leading with, this earbud has real-time translation technology, which is interesting but kind of abstract, we ask a different question.
When would someone actually use this? What moment in their life does this product show up in?
Watching a foreign film on a Friday night, sitting in an airport trying to understand an announcement, traveling somewhere and not speaking the language, having a conversation with someone and actually being able to follow along. Those are the moments. And those moments, that's your ad. So we used ChatGPT to help us brainstorm the concept and pull together the script. Once we had our story locked, then we started building. We will be building our AI influencer this time with a reference image of the creator we want to create. My favorite place for that is Pinterest. If you are confused about how you want your AI influencer to look like, then this is your best choice. Once I have selected the influencer I want to work with, I head into Vidao and go to AI image. We're using Nano Banana Pro for this one. And this time, instead of building our influencer from scratch with text to image, we're going image to image, which means we've already got a reference and we're using that as our starting point. So you upload your reference, drop in your prompt, adjust your settings, and generate. Now, how to get the appropriate prompt? This is where ChatGPT comes in again. You can upload your image to ChatGPT and ask it to describe your attached image as a prompt. You can alter some features in the image to fit what you want. You input the prompt you have gotten from ChatGPT, upload your reference image, and select other settings to fit your desired result. And there's our creator, already feeling like a real person. This step is called Build the Scenes, but honestly, I think of it as building the world. Because remember what we said in step 1, we're not selling earbuds, we're selling situations. That's what we're building visually.
So we mapped out the scenes where someone would naturally reach for this product, and then we built each one. Let me show you how.
For this project, I wanted our influencer across multiple environments to build the story and show the use cases of the product. And to generate the prompts for each of these scenes, you've got a few options. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini. Both work fine. So, for our first scene, we're still using Nano Banana 2. And we're still using image to image because we have our avatar reference to work from. Drop in your reference image, type your scene prompt, adjust your settings, and generate. First scene, done. Now just repeat that same flow for every scene you want to create. Same process, different prompt, different environment. And look at that. Every single one of those scenes tells a story without saying a single word yet. That's what good visual direction does. Now for the part I genuinely look forward to every time. Head over to AI Video. We're using VO 3.1 for this tutorial. So for each scene, you upload your image as the first frame, drop in your video prompt, set your preferences, and generate. Here is the prompt used, a realistic handheld UGC-style horizontal video of the lady seating on her chair while picks up the AirPod from the case and put it in her ears. First scene, done. And then you just run through the exact same process for every scene. Same flow, new image, updated prompt.
Every time I get to this point and see all the scenes together, it still surprises me a little. Like, we built this from nothing.
Last step, and compared to everything we just did, this one is genuinely the most straightforward.
Bring all your scenes into your video editor. If you want free options that actually work, Canva or in video. Any of them will get the job done. Arrange your clips in the order that tells the story best, drop in your audio, add captions if you want them, and let the story do the work.
Wait. Okay, this is actually ridiculous.
Você não entende nada sobre mim.
Difference. You don't understand anything about me.
No way! I thought these were just regular earbuds. They literally translate what I'm hearing in real time.
Movies? Easy. Travel? Easy. Calls? Easy. And it works with multiple languages too. Oh, and one more thing. The AirPods are real, but I'm not. I am just an AI influencer, created with Vidal.
And I think that's the real takeaway from this one. It's not really about the tools, even though the tools are genuinely impressive. It's about understanding that people don't buy features. They buy outcomes. They buy the moment, the feeling,
The version of their life where this product exists in it. When you build your content around that, when you lead with the experience instead of the explanation, and even the most unfamiliar product becomes something people immediately get. Because you didn't explain it to them. You showed them themselves using it. I'm Vivi. I'll see you in the next one.